Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
Alright guys, welcome back to another one. We're actually working on the 6.5 this time. We're not going to get distracted. I am actually working on Sally here in the background, putting drive shafts back in it. So that way we can make her mobile. Yep, there's one. And I just got the back end. That was a bit of a bitch. The 6.5. Let's talk about the 6.5 for a minute. He's losing his mind over here looking for bolts. But it's looking good. The contrast, it pops. Honestly, dude, I don't know if the black makes the green stick out more, because it definitely doesn't calm it down.
No, it does nothing to calm it down.
No, I mean it looks flipping amazing. Absolutely amazing. So we're gonna keep plugging away at it. You know, as you guys saw, it just the water pumps on there. The front accessory drive brackets are going on. It's I think that's about it. I just keep moving on it.
Chugging away.
Yep. So we're gonna keep plugging away on both. I am gonna go ahead and try to get Sally out of here. You guys should see her move under her own power, and I'm actually. I'm putting the old AMSOIL in the transmission there, so, you know, hopefully we move her, or, well, it should move regardless, but I want to, rather I got to toe strap the damn thing or not, but I got to get Lola in here, and we got to get some lighting upgrades done on her, so we will, we'll catch up with you then. And still single. You looking to mingle?
Possibly.
What are you into? Who is your ideal missus?
Bond. If there was another Dom, that would be her. Nothing against that. Sorry, Ray, but I like it when a girl knows about her trucks, but she's scary to me. She knows too much.
Oh, honey, look at that. He's kissing your ass. All right.
Shut up.
You know what? My wife terrifies me.
She's seen it to me.
That is the only person I'm afraid of is my wife on this planet. That's it. Nobody else.
I don't know. I'm scared of a lot of things. We're looking at one right now. It's over there.
All right, catch us up. What are we working on?
Oh, you're talking to me.
Well, I mean, technically.
You were just talking to him. So.
Well,
What would I be working on?
I don't know.
oh,
A lot.
oh, that's right. We left this on to protect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shit out of the threads.
So this is the old push lock fitting for the heater core. We got it filled up with some junk. We're actually going to take this off. We're going to put a barb fitting on there and just run soft line. That way the next time you take this thing apart, it's so much nicer.
Way more better.
So we're going to let him He-Man that off. And let's go take a look at the engine. So what I meant to do was put the camera back on for when we were putting the balancer back on. Because when you guys last... That thing just looks great. Look at it. We ended up driving it in. We got a flatter washer. Focus here. To drive that in there rather than trying to pound it in with the dead blow there. So we got it. We tapped her in a little bit. He's putting this stuff. It's coming together great. I really hate to keep doing this as a time lapse, but again, there's really nothing difficult that we've hit yet. Probably when we start laying out injection lines. No, probably not even then, but the goal is we're hoping to have this thing fully dressed. He's just ecstatic, and I don't blame you. I mean, this thing, the shit's killer. It looks great. It really does. I'm jealous. And then we got your snowplow weight over there.
That'll help out a little bit.
Yeah, just a tad. So, and we have another surprise coming too, the front fenders.
Yes, this is true. Front fenders and inner fenders.
Yep. So we're gonna be doing some Rust Elite, and I know some of my friends know that, or those that are on Lola. Lola's over here. She's thawing out. We're doing a little bit of work to her. Nothing fancy. Instagram will see it first. But that's what the kids are doing nowadays. I try to keep up with it. But anyway, I completely lost my train of thought. But we're gonna keep plugging away at this thing, and yeah, hopefully the goal is we want to have a fully dressed engine tonight, and we're on track. So we'll catch up with you guys here again shortly for another break-in. No, nothing. Everybody good?
Ready to go.
Everybody good? All right.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra extraordinary.
Goddamn good.
Beautiful.
Our asses are kicked. We're tired. It's like 1:30 in the morning.
145.
1:45. It's damn near 2 in the morning. It's been a long push. And that's our final product. That thing looks absolutely freaking amazing. It does not look like the rust bucket that we took out of this truck.
From it.
And we got a few sensors, We got a couple more back here because we were doing an OPS delete. Got the clear line there on the injection pump ran. We have the Leroy Diesel steel drain tube for the turbo. Got our 4-inch silicone intake. Now we are going to put a coupler in the middle. There's the other piece over there. And we're going to run a couple sensors, and we're going to run the CDR over to that. And then I do believe we're gonna play with this crossover in the back. We're actually gonna set it up where we can run a hose in between to kind of alleviate some of that pressure and some of that heat. So that way we're not doing this crap again. At least not yet.
Right.
I mean, it was fun, don't get me wrong, but I'm whooped. I'm whooped. I got the front of that thing all put back together, and Jesus criminy. I fixed the booty on it too, so now the booty and the front end is just vicious with light. But I think that that's gonna do it for us. We're gonna go over this more as we get it in the truck. Like I said, we're beat. Luke already took off and headed for home. I think he should be just about home by now because he's about an hour out. But anyway, that's it. That's all we got for you. Comment, like, subscribe. Take care. Thanks again. We'll see you on the next one.